Hi team, today I would like to talk about firewalld and how to set it up for the packet filtering. In Enterprise Linux 8, the firewall administration tool is the firewalld. To make sure firewalld is running, let's type in sudo systemctl start firewalld and hit enter. To make it persistent, let's bring our line back and change start to enable, and let's hit enter. So start, enable, let's hit enter, and we see it's successful. The command used to interact with the firewalld is the firewall cmd. To verify the status, let's use the state command. Let's type in sudo firewall cmd -cmd space -- state and hit enter. We see it's running. To make changes to the firewall to survive reboot, which is important, use the -- permanent option. Let's add permanent rule for the web service. Let's type in sudo firewall cmd space -- permanent space -- add service equal http, and let's hit enter. Success. This will allow http traffic in from the outside to default zone. Removing the service is just as easy. Let's bring our line back and change add to remove. And hit enter. Success. To open a port on a protocol, we can just specify them. Let's bring the line back and add service 2. So add service 2. We change add port equal 443 / TCP and hit enter. Success. Change add port to remove port, will reverse it. So same. Instead of add, we're using remove and hit enter. Success. We can also add ranges of port. For instance, to let VNC connection, we would bring our line back and we would change 443 / TCP to add port and ranges of ports. So let's bring the line back, add port and 5901 - 5910 / TCP and hit enter. Success. After modifying for firewall, we'll need to reload our rules, or none of it will be active. Let's type in sudo firewall cmd space -- reload. Hit enter. Success. Earlier we added the HTTP service by name. To list the services that we can use by name, let's type in sudo firewall cmd space -- get -services and hit enter. To list the services enabled in the current zone, let's bring our line back and change get service to list service list and hit enter. And lastly, to list the ports enabled in the current zone, let's bring our line back again and change the list service to list ports and hit enter. Okay, this is all what I have for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.